Hi guys, this is Pranadeep. Welcome to my channel Code School. Let's dive into topic Introduction to SQL and Databases. What is database? A database is a collection of organized data that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. In simpler terms, whenever you're interacting with data online, whether through a website or an app, there's a database working behind the scenes. This is what stores all the data. For example, a social media platform's database stores user profiles, posts, and comments, and a shopping app's database holds information on products, customers, and orders. Let's discuss types of databases. There are many types of databases, but today we'll focus on the two most common types, relational databases and non-relational databases. What is relational database? A relational database organizes data into tables. Each table contains rows and columns, and these tables can be related to each other through keys. Here some key points are: data is stored in tables with a fixed schema, and tables are related using foreign keys. And SQL is a language used to interact with relational databases. Some of the relational databases are MySQL, Oracle, and PostgreSQL. When it comes to non-relational databases, a non-relational database, often referred to as NoSQL, doesn't use tables with rows and columns. Instead, it stores data in more flexible formats like documents, graphs, or key value pairs. Key points are: no fixed schema data can be stored in different formats. Great for handling large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data. NoSQL stands for not only SQL, and some of non-relational databases are MongoDB, where data can be stored in documents, and Cassandra in columns, and Neo4j in graphs format. We can choose SQL for structured data and NoSQL scalability. SQL manages the data with commands like select for retrieving data and insert command for insertion, update command for updating, and delete for deleting the data in tables. That's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to install MySQL Server and Workbench for Graphic User Interface, GUI. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Code School for more tutorials on programming and databases. Stay tuned for more.